Hello, weirdos. It's Maggie. I'm back. Subscribe, please. I would really appreciate it. I enjoy checking in with everybody regularly. And if you've not been here before, I am a very part-time reseller on the Poshmark app, and I've just started a few months ago, so I'm just kind of keeping everybody posted as to how it's going for me and sharing with everybody what works for me and what doesn't. And then, so this is my big check-in. I'm on my way to the Goodwill, which I told you guys I was going to do today, and I told you I was going to look at tops. I've decided my plan is more specific now. What I'm going to do is, excuse me, I'm going to buy 10 to 20 tops, and they're going to be the highest end brands that I can find. And one thing that I learned by watching Honey Rag's channel, and I'll link this video below, is that it's so genius and it's just so simple. She goes to the sold listings on whatever she would like to sell, and she finds out, like, if you go to the, gosh darn it, something's going on with my cruise control. God forbid I should do a retake or possibly edit my videos. Sorry, I'm not going to. Anyway, so she goes to the availability sold section, say in tops, because that's what I'm going to shop for today. And she looks to see what has sold lately and what the prices have been. And so I did that, and I've got a small list of things that I'm going to look for. The brands are, I'm going to look for Madewell, because those sell really higher than the mall brands that I typically sell. I want to find an Anne Fontaine. Those are crazy expensive. I mean, if I found one of those, can't even tell you what that video is going to be like, because I'll be so excited. They sell for like $150 used. Crazy. Sorry, I can't look at you, obviously driving the car. Lily Pulitzer, those sell for pretty good money right now. And these are things that have just sold in the last few days. And I think that's key. To go in, find things and styles and brands that are selling right now for a decent price. And I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to be like, I want to sell a $200 shirt. Of course I want to sell a $200 shirt. But if I could be just as happy selling 8 $25 shirts. You know how I am. So that's that. That's my big plan for the Goodwill. And I'm going to do a haul when I'm finished with Goodwill. I'm also going to do a video showing you guys what has sold in the last few days. It's so funny because I did that epic failure video, and I didn't mean anything bad towards Poshmark for that, because I think it's an amazing invention, and I kind of wish I would have come up with it. But anyway, after I did my epic failure video, those 2 bundles sold, and then I sold a pair of jeans for nearly full price that I just had listed for less than 24 hours. And so yeah, I mean, my sales went up the minute I said I was an epic failure. So what do you know? Anyway, I've got my tiny little list. I'm not gonna write a lot before I do my videos. I'm just gonna go for it and see where I go. Oh, Wild Fox. See, this is the size of my note now. It's teeny. Wild Fox is another brand that I've never even seen. And so I'm going to be keeping my eyes open for that today. And I'm also going to try to find another Tory Burch, because I have that one sweater that I still need to list. But yeah, so anywho, please subscribe, please like, please leave me a little note, even just to say hi. I love it when I get little notes from people. And have a wonderful night, and I'll check back with you pretty soon. Bye.